Yeah, it's fine. So, can you see my screen now?
Your screen is something different.
Different. Notepad.
No, it's not clear. Now it's clear.
It has taken some time to load, I think. Now it is okay. Yesterday I am teaching in this notepad. Now I am continuing from there where I left. So actually there are a couple of classes by name error and exception. Okay. So error and exception, and both of them belong to throwable class. Throwable is the super class. Throwable. In that, in throwable there are two classes. One is error. Error is also a class predefined, and another one is exception. Okay. Just like twins, error, exception, both are present in throwable class. So the super class for error and exception is throwable. And you can ask me where throwable is present. It is a super class, okay, but all the classes and interfaces are present in packages. Explain packages also, right? So throwable is part of which package? Yes, lang package. Which throwable class is present. Lang is the package. I will write like this. In that package, throwable class is present. Hierarchy is very important. And in throwable, there are a couple of subclasses by name error and exception. So exception is not the superclass. It may be superclass for some other classes like what I said earlier, like IO exception, and so many are there now. Arithmetic exception. For them, it may be a superclass. But again, the superclass for exception is class. Sorry, throwable. And in Java, as far as Java is concerned, the super class is object class. Please remember.
Okay.
One class somewhere in some application I am going to use that. I did not remember where I am using that spontaneously. Yeah, I use it somewhere. Yeah, I will go through that when concept comes. When concept demands, I will explain that in the coming days. So object class is the super class in Java. Please remember that. Super class in Java. It is a predefined class and also a super class in Java. So till now, whichever number of programs we have done, whatever number of programs we have done, so all those programs are consisting of some classes. Okay. So all these classes may be user defined. Sometimes I may be using user defined classes. Sometimes I may be going with predefined classes. Of course, string is a predefined class. You know that. System is a predefined class. And a demo is a user defined class. So all these pre and user defined classes, they are all subclasses for object class. Got it? Yes. So it's a godlike class. Godlike class. In every program, it is there at the top. So the object class is there at the top. Okay. So it is a super class for all the classes, whichever you are defining or predefining, whatever it is. So object class is the super class in Java. And in that object class, in object class, what is present? All the predefined and user defined classes are present. User defined. Okay. That is one more important thing. And now our subject matter is exception class. Let us come back to exception. Because we don't deal anything with error you just leave it, that's it. It is a subclass of throwable and nothing to do as a programmer. So let us discuss about exception. Matter is this, so many subclasses are. So what are subclasses? A few of them I will list here. You have to remember these things. Of course the list is very big, but most usable things and interview askable things I'm going to present here. Like first one, yesterday we have done that. Arithmetic exception. The purpose of that. Today we are going to discuss about array index out of bounds exception. index out of O capital letter. You have to remember each and every word should start with a capital letter. Array index out of bounds exception. And then comes string index out of bounds exception. String index. Every exception is having some special meaning. We will introduce all these things soon. String index out of bounds. And then comes the fourth one, that is IO exception is also there. IO exception. You have seen that IO exception earlier. We used that. Again, we are going to use that in some other cases. Some other information is there. I will discuss about that also. Next is file not found exception. File not found. Because you are attempting to open a file. In files concept, you are going to use that. In this concept, I won't tell you this, but in files concept, sure, you are getting that. File not found. You are attempting to open a file which is really not present there in your hard disk. Okay. Automatically, an exception will be raised and it will be caught, and then it is going to execute. It is going to pick some message from exception stack. That's it. So file not found exception is the other one. Null pointer exception is there. You are pointing to some object which is really not there. Null pointer exception. Then seventh one, runtime exception is there. Runtime exception. No such method exception. Many of these exceptions, just by seeing the name itself, you can understand. No such method exception. You are trying to deal with some method which is really not there. It will raise an exception. No such method exception. That's it. Interrupted exception, very important. This I am going to present in threads concept. Most frequently used in threads concept. You are going to see that n number of times. We will see all these things. You should be careful with respect to spelling. So these are the most predominant exception subclasses which we are going to deal. Okay. And of course, so many other things will come in advanced Java. I am not putting here those things. Now, and one more question I left on yesterday, that is, what are checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions? One more theory issue is there. What is the difference between checked exception and unchecked exception?
Okay.
Entry question. This is also an entry question. Checked exceptions versus unchecked exceptions. Categorical division, you can divide like this also. That is an entry question. I think you might have come across with this kind of question in the past, I believe. So the exceptions which are detected by the compiler are called as checked exceptions. Very simple. Detected by
Compiler.
Detected by the compiler. I mean. So they are not the exceptions which are not detected by the compiler but are detected by the JVM are known as checked.
After execution.
Yes. Now you can tell me one thing. Detected by the compiler means syntax and grammar
It can
mistakes.
be syntax error.
Yeah, exactly. You know that. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Simple. So coming different perspectives, you can really digest the subject very well. So detected by the compiler. So not detected by the compiler. Detected compiler, but detected by JVM. They are called as unchecked exceptions. Very simple. That's it. Just clear up. Yesterday I sent, I think, brief notes. So whichever I write in Notepad, I am sending for your reference. But detailed notes later on I will send PDF. You can find more things in that, more applications, whatnot, everything. And next thing which I want to tell you is I have to go to programs straight away, but there is one more important aspect that is what is the difference between throws and throw. That also I will cover. One more entry question. Throws versus THROWS. Throws versus throw. What is the difference between the two? Throws class is useful to throw out an exception without handling that. Throws class. You don't want to handle an exception, you know. You don't want to handle. You just recollect your past IO packages, some programs in IO. In the beginning, buffer reader, those programs. Earlier in that method, I have written public static void main. After that, throws IO exception. You please recollect. Means as a programmer, I have nothing to deal, nothing to say with that. So I can use throws class. Some exceptions are there. See, for example, I can tell you one small thing. For example, a small boy is there. He is using a refill, you know, pen refill is there, na? So he is using a refill, but unfortunately refill is no more writing, but still he is using the pen. Okay, generally what elders used to say, don't use that, no use in doing like that, please throw that away. There is nothing to use in that, you use with that, so please throw it away. Is it not? So that is just something like that. Throws. So some exceptions are there which you need not deal, no use in that. No use in putting try catch block. Can you understand? See, try catch block I am putting. I will show you that program also in a short while, maybe today or tomorrow. So one particular program I can show you. In that, two programs I will show you. In one program I will write try and catch. Okay. Already you know a little bit about try and catch. Yesterday we have gone with the try and catch. Some exceptions are there. So whenever I am importing a package by name IO, okay, in the previous programs we have done now, import java.io.star. So in such programs, even after this class, you can try also. Later on also you can try. You just remove throws IO exception, and in place of that, go with a try catch. Nothing will happen. No difference. So two options are there. One is writing with a pen where no more ink is there in that. Otherwise, second option is throwing that outside. Both are same, na? Both are same or not?
Right.
Writing with a pen which is no more in use, throwable pen, use and throw type, but still it is not writing, you are trying. That is one way. No use. Means throws IO exception. Both will give same result. If any error is there, obviously it is going to be checked exception and it is going to lead to compile time error. Nevertheless, but it is not a runtime error. So whenever you deal with IO package, two options are available, but generally a fool is going to write try catch, but a wise man is going to write throws IO exception. Got it?
Yeah.
I will show you through program. I have given hints also to you right now. So what is the information about throws? Throws class is useful to throw out an exception without handling. To throw out an exception without handling. I am very clearly saying without handling means no try, no catch, no throw. That's it. But throws is there. Throws is there. Don't get confused between throws and throw. Throw means, see, in try block, you are writing some exception. You got some exception. You got some JVM encountered some exception. Immediately you can throw that. JVM can throw that so that it can be caught. You can create your own object and throw that. So whenever you are throwing, some catch block should be there. It should be caught and dealt. That is throw. Means if you want to deal with that, go with throw. If you don't want to deal with that, go with throws. That is the difference. Got it? If you want to deal an exception, go with throw. Throw that and catch that and deal that. If nothing to say about that, just like waste refill or waste pen, which is no more writing, don't go with throw. Use throws. Okay, throw also we need to
If I
use.
don't want to use, then why I should use throws also? I will not use anything now.
If you don't use anything, okay, fine. If there is, see, normally whenever you are dealing with the IO exception, okay,
Hmm.
I mean IO package, sorry, IO package. You
Hmm.
write now import java dot IO dot star. You write now.
Hmm.
So all IO exceptions, it is mandatory to use. I mean, two options are there. I told
So
you earlier, now one foolish option and one wise option. Wise
hmm.
option is throws, mandatory. If you
Hmm.
don't use wise option, at least you have to go with foolish option. That is try catch.
Hmm.
Mandatory. It is mandatory. I'm saying. Just that's it. So you have to use. So better we go with throws. Already without knowing all these concepts we have done earlier using throws. Is it not?
Hmm.
Otherwise, you go with a try catch. What is there? You put try block, you put catch, but never it is caught. If any exception is encountered, never it is caught. Even if you are putting try catch, never it is caught. Means what? Any use in that? If any mistake is there, compile time error will come. That's it. Where is the chance for runtime? When
Yeah.
when we are failing in compile time, no need to go up to runtime now. That is why that is the difference. So without handling, I will show you through program. Then you can understand little bit more than this.
Hmm.
Okay, sure. I will write some design some applications for that. Then you can understand. And what about the throw? Throws I have written. Throw. Let us talk about throws. Sorry, throw. Throw is used in, actually it is used in software testing. It is useful to create an exception object and throw it out. Throw is used, both are clauses. Throw class is used, throw clause is used to create an exception. To create an exception. Create an exception and exception object, in fact. Exception object and throw it. Simply throw it. I will show you how to use throw also. Throws, both I will show you. Don't worry. Generally, throw is used in software testing. Generally, throw we are using in software testing.
Hmm.
Very important for software testing. Throw is generally used in. Tell something about that. I don't know anything about software testing. Throw is generally used in software testing. I know only up to that much. Software. I guess. So not only predefined, user-defined exceptions also you can throw. Okay, we will do some programs on that in multiple ways. We will do. Don't worry. Already I have described about the difference between error and exception. Of course, an exception is an error that can be handled. In that way, also I can write, isn't it? An exception is an error. It is also an error that can be handled. I can write exception. Briefly discussing exception versus error. How can you distinguish one with the other one? So an exception, simply to
Error
define both.
anyways. Any error anyways, we will get an error. So I mean, there is no
No
separate.
way. But I'm talking about exception. An exception is also an error, but I can deal that. That is a difference. An exception is an error, is an error. Don't, we should not blindly say that both are totally different.
Hmm.
But we can come in that way, like an exception is an error. It is also error. Error is error always. Mistake is mistake. But we can deal that. Stubborn, and some students are there who are stubborn. We cannot deal with them. Leave it. But some students are there who are flexible. We can mold them and get them back to proper state. That's it. So exception is an error that can be handled. That can be. Okay. In that simple sentence, you can get the meanings of both. Okay. Right. And we have done some programs on arithmetic exception on yesterday. Today we will do some applications on array index, out of bounds exception, and these things. I will explain. We'll go through programming again. Yes, programs again. Yes. Let's see, open a new application. Is there? Yeah, one is there. Two, three. Yes. Exception demo 3. Fine. But it is simple. If you know arrays, if you know strings, you can design these kind of programs very simply. Basic knowledge required is, and of course, all these exceptions and the subclasses, they are all present in which package I told in this class? Lang package. And you need not import lang package, you know that. So I'm leaving that. So now let me go with one array. Like these are the elements in an array. Fine. Now what I am trying to do is, of course, I will go with having some doubts. Let me put in try block. This code I may get some problems. That's why I'm going with, I'm taking some precaution. Try block I have gone with. So here I want to display SYSO. Let me attempt to this. 0. 0 means no problem is there. 1 means no problem. 2 means no problem. 3 means, yeah, it should raise some exception.
Yeah.
But not
Because
compile time. This is not any no compile time error, please, because it is not any compile time error. It will show here. Here itself, I will be caught. But it is not showing any problem. So I can go comfortably.
Some error is showing. Why?
That is different because of because see, yesterday I told you one important point. What is that? Please check. Yesterday I told you. I will recollect that. Wait. I just to study this point. You forgot? Right? Enough clues? First point in note.
Yeah.
Whenever you go with a try block, what I am doing?
Catch.
Just I written. Yeah, it is looking. It is waiting for. It is very hurry. It is in hurry. It seems. Catch blocks. Not yourself. I am not talking about yourself. I am not talking about yourself. About JVM.
Yeah. It's not human.
Yeah. Let me complete that. Relaxed a bit. Array index. Any exception you can write. I am writing E. That's it. Now let me come. Get inside. Wait. It's closing now. Some mistake. In braces only mistakes are there. Nothing great. An opening is required. It is there, and closing is also there. Wait. Yes, gone. Now JVM relaxed, and I am also relaxed. So that's it. Now go with. You are having 3 options. You can choose any option. SYSO. You can go with E. E is the reference. You know that. Yesterday I told na. It picks an exception message, appropriate message from exception stack. Right. Otherwise, E dot print. You have to remember these methods. Permanent stack trace. Yeah, it is here. That's it. Otherwise, in your own way, you can deal. That is very good if you know well about that problem. So what is the problem? So I am attempting to display an element present in third position. Is it really there? No. Don't try beyond the limit. Don't try to display any element beyond the size, beyond the capacity. Okay, that's very good statement. You can pretty easily understand that. Yes, I will run this. It is not going. Daily it used to go when I say like that, but it is
You
not.
have to cross. You cross button is there, no?
But daily I'm not doing like that. I'm just saying like this. It is going, but today it is
No,
not going.
cross. You can cross also.
So done. See the problems. How many problems are there? I'm not putting any comments here. 3 statements I opened here. First statement, you can understand.
Index 3 out of 1
That is the
square.
problem. That is the problem. Yeah. And your own message also came. Don't try to display any element beyond the capacity. That's it. Okay. That is also good. That is also okay. Fine. Now I got my mistake corrected. Let me go with
The bracket is wrong.
oh, I missed that while doing this. Yeah. Done. Now no issue. Nothing is caught. Nothing to be caught. Super. 72. Yes. That's it. Very simple. Same program I will copy and paste, but with little changes. See. Wait. Another program. Exception demo 4. Exception demo 4. Demo 4. See, in this program, I'm not interested to go with array. In place of that, now here, what to do? Just to recollect your strings concept, I want to display the element, the character present at third position. What to do? Any method? Can you suggest? I want to display the character present at third position. Can you suggest any method? You have to study those methods. Character. Daily. In the coming days, daily you have to code now. It should be there in the permanent memory. So, how to invoke that method? It's a non-static method. What is a string object? Str dot char. I used caret now earlier in strings. Yeah. Now, no 0, no 1, no 2. I want to go with third one. Any third positioned element?
No.
Caret? No. So obviously it won't show any error here, but runtime exception is there. Runtime error is there. That is exception. Yeah, sure. But what I have done, I have to change this as a matter of fact. But still, it is showing correct result. How strong the mechanism is really. See, it is showing string index out of bounds exception. But I have gone with yes. Got it? That's the which I had. Okay, no problem. I forgot writing that. Now, of course, same message. But this statement is not appropriate. Don't try to display any character beyond capacity, not element. In arrays, elements. In strings, characters. String is a group of characters, collection of characters, set of characters. Don't try to display any character beyond the capacity. That's beyond the size. Otherwise, whatever it is, no issue. That's it. Done. Fine. Yes. But if I go with 2 or 0, yes, perfect. 0 is a perfect combination. You will get A. You will get A. Simple answer. A. That's it. Done? Yes. Now see, one more program I will write, but I want to put all my hurdles in try block. All my hurdles. So I am just picking the concepts, all the concepts I am picking, and and covering with some simple applications. Now, let me start with the try block. Okay. Yes. Let me start with, I got bored with args dot length and all that, can pretty easily handle that. I don't want to go in that way. A is equal to 40. Then is equal to A minus A, sorry, 40 minus A minus A. Turning in such a way that you are going to get some exception. And I just want to display y. Also, A here. That's it. Now, I want to deal with array. ARR. ARR. Then the mixture I am putting inside try block, you can understand. So 2 or 1, yes. Now I want to do also
1. It will get through. It will through the error.
No. Wait. Which one?
The system.out.println array 1, no.
Yeah. No, even before that also there is a problem. You can understand. Here itself, arithmetic is there. 3 hurdles I am putting before you. 3 hurdles. This is the third hurdle. See, I will go with a different set of combinations. You can understand this. Same. str all threes. So try block is over. So it will show. Don't get worried. Let me complete catch block. So 3 probable chances are there, na? So all the 3 exceptions you have to write. Okay, 3 catch blocks are supposed to be. So one try, multiple catch blocks. This program is about one try, multiple catches. Single try, multiple catches. Then nested try catch is also there. That also I will explain. Before that, let's go with this first. First problem is, go in the same order. First problem is arithmetic, na? Arithmetic. Let me name that as reference 1, otherwise REF1, easy to recognize. Yeah. Leave empty or otherwise simple message I am displaying, like say REF1. This is catch 1. Another catch is also there, no? Even if you go with multiple catches, it is mandatory to go with, but you will get, see, whenever a hurdle there, here itself, the road is not good after that. You cannot do all these things, So obviously the suitable exception will be raised and it is caught, obviously. These words you have to get array index out. Same message, but F2 this time. It is not showing any error, but I have to complete my formalities. That is one more. Because we don't know at what time you are going to get some problem. I don't know. Three areas are there. Three different variety of problems are there, isn't it? So better you go with all those exceptions. String index out of bounds 3. That's it. And then inside that F3. Program is over. Wait. Why it is showing mistake? Okay. One more closing is there. No mistakes, na? Yes, I can run this. But exception is there. No error, but exception. Yeah. I stopped at first itself. First statement, no issue for JVM. The statements, I mean, 8th statement, no problem. It displayed perfectly. But 9th is a problem.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why immediately control has been transferred to suitable exception. Even I have written 3 exceptions. You got division by 0 only. You see that appropriate one. It picked appropriate one. Is it not? Yes. Now I will correct my mistake. I will go with 41. Now I overcome with that. Now again, let me try. First hurdle gone. Second hurdle came. What is that? Array index out of bounds. Yes. Got it now? Now
Yeah.
I will overcome that also by putting 0 here simply. Got it? Yes. Now the leftover is third one. You can see the third one now. All are okay except the last one. See, it is present in lang package. What is that exception? String index out of bounds exception. Got it? Line number and those things it won't display because I have not gone with that method, print stack trace. That's why it is briefly showing the problem. Understood?
Yeah.
One try, multiple catches you can go with. Yes. And what about that statement? Yesterday I am talking about that statement. First point. Can we prove this? Whenever you go with a try block, it should be followed with either. So instead of catch, let me go with finally and see. Let me go with finally and see one program. I can copy this program, first program, I think. Exception demo 1 itself I will do. I will copy this. This is 6, no? 6. So here what I want to do is no catch, nothing. I just want to go with finally. These things. So try is closed. Soon after writing try block, try is over now. Now let me go with finally. Sorry. Should follow with brace. But empty. I am not interested to write any code in that. Okay. Just let me leave that alone. Done. 100% is acceptable. Finally is allowed, but without code also it is allowing. But if any problem is there, let me check what is going to happen. Of course, let me remodify this code. Why all this stuff? Again, I have to go there. Y is equal to 4. Then y is equal to a by is 90 by 40 by 3 minus 40 by 3. A minus 40. Okay. Got it now? Oh, semicolon. Perfectly. It is not N, it is what is that? A. This is not the suitable. Not it. So now let me run this program. Yes, without catch. Fine. Problem is sorted. And even I have not written a print stack trace, but it worked. Very
You
strong.
have not written catch also.
Yeah, it worked now. That's it. Means you have to believe that very strong inbuilt exception handling mechanism is there in Java. Okay.
But always uh, we study like whenever we are using try, then try catch should be used with the try.
No. I have given two options. Na. See the statement. Whenever you go or finally or both,
Hello?
three options.
Hello?
Not even two. Three options I have given. Yeah. Hello. Yes. Hello.
Your voice broke
Hello.
in between.
Yeah. Okay. So I have given not even two. Three options I have given. What are those three options?
Hmm.
Either catch or finally or both. You can
Hmm.
see here either catch or finally or both. Three options I have given, not one or two. Three. I have gone with second option in this program.
Okay.
Finally. Yes. Three options you can go, or
Hmm.
catch you can go, or finally you can go.
Hmm.
What is there? Yes. I
Hmm.
have chosen second option this time.
Finally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
still, due to strong mechanism, it is showing everything fine to me. Got it? Yes, that's it. But minimum code you have to write is finally with a couple of braces here.
Hmm.
Opening minimum requirement. If you are interested, you can put some message what is there otherwise, but I am not interested. If I put some message, it will happen. That's it. Is it not?
Hmm.
That is left to you. If you put some message, it will happen. If you are having any doubts, I will do. If you are confident, I will leave. That's it.
Hmm.
Okay. Right. Try with that also we have seen. Now let us come with IO exception. Let me try with IO. That problem also today only I discussed it now. Let me solve that also. That case also I will solve. Maybe tomorrow or by day after tomorrow, your exception handling will be over. Maximum tomorrow I will try. If not, day after tomorrow. It is a lengthy one. That's why I will go with.
Yeah, from Monday also I have to go office.
Uh-huh. Now you are not going to office this week.
Mm, no, I will. I'm working from home. No, so
Uh-huh.
time.
Okay. Off. Straight away you have to go to office after a long period of time, I think.
Yeah. From Monday.
Okay, fine. So I have to put my main method. Let me take as exception because some other method also I'm going to use in this exception demo 7. Yes. This is a little bit big application. Let me go to the top and go with the statement. I will introduce star. And I have got one more job on today as a freelancer.
Mm-hmm.
Freelancer for a company. Just 2-3 days work. Java classes only. Just 2-3. They asked me whether you want payroll or freelancer. Payroll in the sense daily 3 hours, but they are giving only 20,000 per
Mm-hmm.
month. Daily 3 hours, 20,000 is waste. But freelancer per 1 hour, 1,000 rupees. Only two to three classes per week.
Okay.
That is better option, na?
Hmm.
I have chosen that also today, and they are going to send offer letter also tomorrow. It's an established one in Mumbai.
Hmm.
Just they have seen my videos. That's all. These videos are working like anything. In the past, I used only my resume, nothing else. But some
Hmm.
innovative way I am doing this, and it's working great. Yeah. So let me go with another class. Sorry, sample is my class. In that void accept, I am giving here void accept is the mother name. Okay, fine. I want to put some code like see, normally whenever I write IO package, I want to write some foolish code. First of all, I told you na, foolish code and intelligent code. I am going with foolish code now. Try intelligent code already we have done. Please recollect the past programs. Yes, exactly. Program is very simple, nothing great. Enter name. Enter name. Okay, fine. మా తర్వాత ఎదుగుతానమ్మా, తర్వాత ఇస్తాను, గుర్తులేదు, చూడాలి. Enter name. So from keyboard I am going to enter now. I have to attach that statement inside try. I forgot. Fine, na? Everything? Then the next step, I want to add some name from keyboard. Tell me. String name I am taking is equal to what to write? Tell me. You please tell. I want to accept name from keyboard. What is the object? That big object.
BR dot read line, yeah.
Exactly. That's it. That's it. Now let us put a semicolon. Now let me enter another name. Let me copy this code one more time. But is really string required again? No, already string is, you have gone with that variable. Na? Just it is a reference. See, just like hands, I can take a pen at one point of time and I can take a pencil or a notebook at some other point of time. Reference is same, my hand, but object is changing. Got it? Try to understand small things.
Yeah.
So reference is same, my hand. One time I am holding pen, another time I am holding a notebook. That's it. That's it. So this time name is my hand. It is taking one object one time. Next time I am taking another person's name. Okay. Again, I need not go with string now. That's what I am telling you. Okay, leave it, leave it. Done, done. That is done. Now let me display that. Whatever I have accepted, let me display every time here and there. Here also let me display. How to display that? System.out.print. Hello. That name, hello Ravi, hello Ram, like that I want to display. Name I can write now, enough? Same statement, copy, paste, Control C, so, but just make high. There's a difference. Now, even if I forget, JVM won't forget, it won't leave us. It is asking, it is waiting for that. Satisfy JVM catch. So you have gone with the try now. Obviously, you have to go with catch also. So what type of exception? What type of exception? IO exception. A wise man never deals IO exception, but we are dealing now. Okay?
Yeah.
Program is 100% correct, but foolish, unnecessary, I am telling. So let me write IE, IO exception, IOE. It's gone, but I want to display as well. So I want to do, let me write IOE. Let me, otherwise throws is not used. So never it is caught. I will write some meaningful statement here. Throws is not used. In this program, throws is not used now. Throws is not used. But never, you never can see this message in lifetime. That's it, I'm sure. Run this program with any mistake or any correctness also, whether you go correctly or wrongly, you never can see this message in lifetime. That's it. I can assure. Means waste program. Try catch. Why? But program is correct. But see. Let me run this. What about main method? Except is there now. I have to invoke that non-static method, isn't it? Sample is the class name in which accept is present. Sample, yes, is equal to new sample. Mandatory now. I cannot omit this code.
Accept.
Done. Choose this. Yes, done. Or any other program is 100% correct, but unnecessary. Enter name. Hello Ram. Enter name. Hello, hi Ravi. That's it. Better I give some space here. That is okay. Simple things. Okay. Done. But if I commit any mistake, see, immediately it will give left and right. Compile time, obviously. So where is the chance for mistake? Is it not? So IO exceptions, never try to put in try and catch. It is waste, useless codes. In place of that, as a better technician, you can go with throws IO exception here and there. That's it. You don't deal that. Unnecessary, na?
Yeah.
Now you got great idea after doing this program, I think. Same program, alternative approach. Shall I do, or you can do that?
Yeah.
We have done so many programs like this in the beginning. Yeah. I guess you can do that of your own also. Is it not?
Yeah.
So at any moment, if you are feeling okay, then say, I will close.
Okay, you want to close?
No, I don't want to close. I had still 25, it is 8:25. I can go for at least 10 to 15 minutes. I can go still.
Yeah, sure.
Because I can complete one more application. Nested try also I want to discuss. That is the last program. Probably some nesting I will do. With that I will close. Because too many concepts may lead to ambiguity also for you. Slow and steady is better option. So let me go with another method, another class. You understood now previous program?
Yes.
8. Again, let us come back to try catch, but nested catch. Some variety, some variation is there. So inside main method, I want to go with a try block. Inside that, same old story. One more time, new concept now. Let me go with 5 by, and then let me display a value. Okay. Simple code already you know. Yes, done. But I want to go with nested try now. I'm talking about nested try. Don't close try block. Let me start with nested if is there na. I told earlier nested if. Same concept. Try inside another try. I am not closing that try but opening another try. Okay, but in this try with a different kind of problem. That is, I am dealing with arrays this time. Okay. Done. Yes. Now, yes. Deal with first position value. That's it. And shall I close, or if you can go, if you can try with another try also. Let me add one more try. Huh? It will be better. 3 tries. Try inside, try inside, try. Okay. You can go like this. Yes, but I will go with string.
It should be 8RR, not AR.
Okay, fine. ARR. Yes, absolutely. You are picking things. So, okay, fine. One more time. That is str dot char. Go with third. Set. Done. Now I have to close couple of. I have to close this try block now. This is the innermost try. Innermost try. So innermost catch will come. Got it? Just recollect your nested if. I told nested if. You remember? Yeah. So innermost, what kind of problem I am having? Tell me innermost try. What is the problem? What kind of exception? There is scope for some exception. What is that? String index. Is it not? String index out of bounds exception. Yeah. String index out of bounds exception. F in ref I out, right? It's inner. Okay. Refi. Then inside that you can display any message. REFI. So after completing this catch, what shall I do? I have to close middle if. Middle try. Middle try I have to close now. For that I have done one mistake here. Yes. Let me close one more. What is that?
Middle try.
Right.
Yeah, right.
Now let us go with middle catch. Middle catch means what is that?
The try one.
Array index out of bounds exception. Huh?
Yeah. Our index, right.
Array index out of bounds exception. Yeah. Okay, fine. Copy. Done. So one more closing. Outer try. Here middle try closed. This is yes. Try closed. Outer try closed. Now what to do? Outer catch.
Outer catch.
Is there? Okay, multiple. Here I will go with
Arithmetic.
after outer try, I have to go with one more. So inside that, done now. But still mistakes. That is a mistake. Somewhere I went wrong. Middle try closed. Outer try. No, this is not outer try. One more closing is there. Gone? Yes.
Yeah.
So that is the way. Just recollect your nested if. Place of if try is there. In place of else catch is there.
Right.
Very simple. Nothing great. Because you know the proper reason behind that.
Yeah.
Then because no argument is there now, I'll go with at least one argument. You know that run configurations. You have to remember that in that arguments tab. Yes, I'm forgetting that run configurations. Okay, fine. So you know 2 is enough. Run. Fine. I overcome from the first
Yeah.
problem. Second one is a problem, but let me overcome also. It's becoming still bigger. Now, let me run again. Got it? Last hurdle. I think you understood.
Yeah.
If I overcome, that also will come. Understood, na?
Yeah.
So these are the applications. I will copy and paste these applications, and today's little notes also I will copy. This
Okay.
shall I close the session for today?
Yeah, sure.
Fine. Thank you.
Thank you.